That's a keeper. Oh, is it?
No, there goes. Go get it. Go get it.
That's a good one.
Oh, baby. Oh. Got one on.
Let me get this one in.
He's not coming up either. I think it's just the lure.
No, there's color.
I can feel.
Oh, that's a cobia. Oh, it's a grouper.
All right, you ready?
Here, okay, that works. I think he's too small, but whoa, he's a happy little guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dang it, he's just a little short. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, shoot.
You want me to?
Here, you know what? This is what all the pros do. Not that I'm a pro, but
You want?
see if I can get this one out real quick. Actually, you know what? Oh, he's biting down on me.
I don't know.
He's pissed. Ow! Oh. All right, you want to pick?
Yep.
Okay. Let me rinse my. There we go. Smile. Okay. We got to go back over that spot. Oh. Go, 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 go. This one feels big.
Okay.
Okay, you can stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, shoot. I think he got off. Maybe. Maybe I was fighting him wrong with this thing. This thing was big, whatever it is. Yeah. Oh, it's a bonita, I think. Yep. Good stuff. Here, you can just drop them on the ground though. You want to hold the pole?
Just keeping some tension on him so he doesn't.
Okay. There we go. He's a bloody one. That's the spot for sure. Yeah. While you do that, I'm just gonna drop this butt tail down. Is he staying down? Oh, See him yet?
Getting tired.
Oh. Black sea bass.
Feeling better now.
I bet that's what those guys are catching over there, is just tons of black sea bass. Oh wow.
Oh, there he is. I see him.
Holy crap! That looks like a monster to me.
Nah, he's not.
No?
He just got a big mouth.
Here, let me net that guy. I think that's a big one. That's a keeper. That is a freaking keeper. Dang!
All right.
That's got to be a keeper.
Wait, I don't want the.
The what?
Trying to keep it out of the net.
Oh.
Woo!
Whoa. He woke up.
Yeah. Man, he was something. Yeah, I think he's a keeper.
Oh, I think so too.
I think he might go 30.
Can you let some slack off of the...
They got a couple little teeth there.
Yeah. That's a freaking keeper. 100%. Oh.
Woo! Oh.
Oh my gosh, so close. Scoot him up here, or is that 24?
Yep.
That's
on it. Yep.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh yeah, let me take a picture. Whoops.
Hold him like this.
All right.
All right. I'm pretty sure he was.
I don't want him to shrink and then be. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look and see what you think.
Here, let me put him this way. Oh shoot. Oh. Yeah, he's definitely a keeper. Good.
Damn. Woo. He's really like, oh wow.
Yeah. Well, let's go back.
Doesn't feel as big as the last one. I don't know if there's one on there.
You don't think so?
Look.
Other part.
Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if I just caught something or if he was already on there. I just saw something at the top.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's a baby one.
He's all caught up too.
Ooh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Here, I got this if you want to let some slack out and. Ooh.
He's not even worth picturing.
Let him grow.
Line's out there away.
Oh, is it?
Oh, there goes. Go get it. Go get it.
All right, you can slow it down. This one feels pretty big.
All right, I'm gonna pull this one in.
Well, he's not feeling so big right now.
Well, man, it's like it's weird. I think it's a grouper because he's coming straight.
Yeah. He's not fighting much.
Huh?
He's not really fighting much.
He's not coming up there.
Oh, he just started waking up a little bit. Yeah. I realize how out of shape I am.
Yeah, it's a lot, man.
Whew. Yeah. Oh,
We got color.
there he is.
All right. Ooh,
Looks like an okay one.
You get him with this?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's pretty good. Here, I'm gonna. Okay.
Man, we are in grouper heaven today.
Yeah. That's a nice looking one.
Ooh, dude, that's good.
All right, let's see.
Oh. What, he let go for you?
Well, trying to get that.
That's the worst part about it now. I'm gonna hold this.
Oh yeah. It's the barb. Maybe I can get this out of him real quick. Oh!
Shit.
That was almost bad. Here we go. Ow.
I think it's worse. Just get it out of him, and then be a little less dangerous. He looks good.
Oh, sweet, it's out.
There we go.
That does look like a good one.
Good. Let's see. You want the thing to hold him? Ooh, oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh, baby. Oh. Wait a minute. You want these or are you going to hold them?
I'm gonna hold him.
Oh, that's bigger than the first one. Ready?
Yep.
All right. Damn.
You sure you want to go back?
Oh, man.
What's up, guys? Just wanted to thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, we didn't get any more fish on that last pass, so I'm back at the house after an epic day, at least for us, of grouper fishing. We both were able to not only catch keeper grouper for the first time, for each of us, but obviously we each caught our personal best grouper. All caught on trolling plugs, man stretch 30. You can tell that we were both really excited over these fish, simply because we had never caught keeper GAG grouper before. I know a lot of you probably are like, wow, these guys are getting so excited over fish that we catch all the time, but for us, it was exciting. So I just want to thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully we can get back on the water again soon and produce some more fishing videos for you, some more content for the YouTube. And so we'll be back at it. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.